Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to join Deepwoken Discord server. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open a browser and search here Deepwoken Discord server and scroll down and open this link deepwoken.fandom.com and click on this link. So here is the server. Click on accept invite, continue to Discord, and now complete the verification. And here you can see I've successfully joined to the Deepwoken Discord server. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.